Hello student, how are you? Okay, we see the chapter number 13, a reverse journey. So, open your CW all of you. Now our workbook is over and only we have to write in the CW. Right? So, open CW fast. Write the date of the today. Okay, answer in one word. First number, write the resources of water. What is the meaning of the resources? Resources means where you get the water. Right? आपको पानी कहाँ से मिलता है? That means it is the resources, sources of the getting water. So we get the water from the pond, river, lake, and sometimes it is the core part of the earth also we get the water. In your village or city, mostly big boring is there, and then after boring get the water and supply in the village, right? So it is core part of the earth also you get the water. So you have to write core part of the earth, it is also right. Now second number, what is the color of the water from where the rivers begins? Now what is the color from the river begins? In earlier chapter when I explain the chapter, I draw the pictures, and when mountain and hill, when the river is flow, then it is water is very clear, right? No pollution is there. So what is the color when the rivers begin? It is the colorless. It is too clean. Water has no colors. So it is the colorless. Right? Third number, what kind of birds come to a river or a pond? I earlier said when the water is there, store water is there, some birds come and finish their thirstiness and fulfill their thirstiness. So which birds comes near the water? It is the crane, duck, egret, flamingo and kingfisher. These are the birds come near the pond, lake, river to fulfill their thirstiness. Right? Now fourth number, from where does the rivers originate? What is the growing part of the river? Where does the river originate? It is fall from the hills or mountains. रिवर कहाँ से निकलती है? जो रेन का वाटर होता है वो हिल्स और माउंटेन के अंदर स्टोर होता है और वो धीरे धीरे फ्लो करके फॉर्म द रिवर और पॉन्ड, राइट? So the river is originate from the hill and mountains. 5 number, whom does a river finally meet? When the rivers flowing and flowing, 2-3 rivers also merge and again they flow and it merge to a sea or ocean. कहाँ पे मिलता है रिवर? सी एंड ओशन पे. एक रिवर आगे फ्लो होती है, दूसरी रिवर फ्लो होती है, दोनों रिवर मिलती है, तीसरी रिवर मिलती है, ऐसे सारे रिवर्स एक साथ में मिलके वो फाइनली किसको मिलती है? वो सी और ओशन को मिलती है. 6 number, in which ways is river water useful? What is the uses of the river water? River water for the washing, bathing and cleaning. You can also write the drinking. So many ways the river water useful to us. Now 7 number, find out different ways of cleaning water at home. Now when we get the water from the core part of the earth, so it is not pure water. So we have to do some process at home. In village water tank also they do the some process, but the water is supplied in the tap. So when the river water come at the home, so we have to do some process. So what is the process we have to do to get the pure water? And it is the filtering. We have to, when the tap is open, and then after filtering we have to pour the water in the pot, right? It is the first method is the filtering. If it is found the muddy water, then you have to boil the water. Firstly you have to boil. When the after filtering water you have to boil, and then after you again filter the water. It is the second method is the boiling, and third is the distilling. What is the meaning of the distilling? You have to do water store settle at some times, and then after upper water you have to filter again. It is called the distilling. Okay student, now we see the give reason. Give reason, I don't have the enough space, so I have to explain from the CW. Give reason. Rivers are known as Lokmata. Why the river is known as the Lokmata? The answer is because when you write the give reason, every time you start with the because, otherwise you start with the due to, right? So because river provides all our basic necessities, so river is known as the Lokmata, right? जो रिवर है वो हमारी पूरी जो बेसिक नेसेसिटीज है वो फुलफिल करती है. जैसे सुबह में उठते हैं तो सबसे पहले क्या करते हो? ब्रश हाथ में लेते हो, है ना? ब्रश करने के बाद मुंह धोते हो, राइट? गार्गल करते हो, तो वो सब चीज किससे होती है? रिवर से, तो वाटर से. तो जो भी हमारी जो बेसिक नेसेसिटी है उसके बाद हम नहाने जाते हैं, तो नहाने में भी पानी का यूज होते हैं. तो सुबह से रात तक हम जितनी भी एक्टिविटी करते हैं सब में हमको वाटर की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, और वो जो वाटर की जो रिक्वायरमेंट है वो हमको रिवर फुलफिल करती है, इसलिए हम उसको लोकमाता कहते हैं, राइट? नाउ सेकंड नंबर, polluted water of the industry should not be poured in the river. Why the polluted water of the river or factories we should not pour in the river? Why? Because if we drink such type of water, we suffer from disease. When polluted water is of the factories waste, we have to pour in the river water. Then that type of the water, if we have to drink, then we suffer from the disease like the which type of the disease you have to suffer, the just like a vomiting, cholera, right? Loose motion. That type of the disease you have to face if you drink the polluted water. Now third number, lake or river water of the village or a city does not clean. Why the river water of the village or city does not clean? Because village or a city people washes clothes in the river water, clean utensil, wash cattle, pass urine and throw garbage. So because what the village people do, village people or city people washes the clothes, कपड़े धोते हैं, है ना? In the river water के अंदर washes the clothes, clean utensil, sometimes utensil also they have to wash cattle मतलब जो बफेलोज होती है, काव होती है, उनको भी वहाँ नहलाते हैं. पास यूरिन पास करते हैं नियर द वाटर, near the river, or sometimes cattle also pass urine in the water, because cattle don't know where is the water and where is the land. So water also, urine also pass by the cattle and throw garbage. So और बहुत सारा garbage जो है वो हम पानी के अंदर डालते हैं. इसीलिए रिवर वाटर जो विलेज का वाटर होता है, सिटी का वाटर होता है, वो पॉल्यूट इस तरह से होता है. तो स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू राइट दिस वन इन द CW with the good handwriting, and each and every exercise you have to write on the new page. Okay, bye bye.